Huracan Evo 2020. It's 5 feet 6 inches tall. Low enough to cause excitement to match any look around. Up close, the roar of the engine makes people admire it, although they are not fans of the subject. And in this case, in this video, we start as the entry model of Lamborghini, which here in the US starts from $261,000. Well, speaking of the news of Huracan Evo, the design has been improved to guarantee aerodynamic superiority and present the driver with improved driving dynamics. Maybe you were not very connected in these details or really confused between the models of the Italian brand that belongs to the Volkswagen Group, but I think it's cool to know. The front bumper is new. The air intakes are larger. The wheels also received that touch to make a difference. The side profile exalts Lamborghini's hexagonal design references on the windows. The new style has increased aerodynamic efficiency more than 5 times over the first generation of Huracan. In the rear, the 2 exits of the new sport exhaust system are positioned at the top of the bumper, and at the top end, an integrated spoiler provides an improved airflow, clearly stating aerodynamic abilities. It's based on the performance of the Huracan Performante with the same engine. Zero to 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. Top speed 202 miles per hour. At the heart of Huracan Evo is the new feature of the brand called LDVI. It is a central processing unit that controls all the dynamic behavior in real time to anticipate the next movement and the needs of the driver. A super agile and responsive car. That's what a Lambo customer is looking for. The Evo not only reacts to the driver's intentions through steering wheel, brake pedal and throttle entries, engaged gears and selected driving modes, but provides the best steering setup for the next moment. That's great. I think that when you hear the roar of this more modest Lamborghini, you will know that he is more than a small and beautiful bull in the family.